This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Number 8, how scheduled breaks help you accomplish more. Now, breaks are positive. They help your mind relax for a second, to digest what's going on, to deal with what's going on, and to help process everything. Breaks are a great way to help you accomplish more. Now, breaks are necessary. If you try to get and work consistently for an hour period with no breaks, you're going to get less done counterintuitively than if you were to take 2 quick 5-minute breaks. So if you work 50 minutes and you have 10 minutes worth of breaks, you're actually going to get a lot more done than if you were just to work 60 minutes straight. And how this works is you're working towards the break. So your mind, your body, and you know that you're going to have a break here in the next couple minutes. So you're going to be working your butt off to get something done, to really accomplish and make sure that break is actually benefiting you and helping you. You get to relax at that break. So schedule breaks and you're able to get a lot more done. You set aside a time, 5 minutes, you're going to work towards that time. You're going to work all you can in that time. You're going to get a lot more done.